Hello, welcome. In this video, we will introduce the Boyle-Moore algorithm. So please recall in the brute force algorithm, we perform a search for a match of a pattern in the text by examining all alignments. So from the beginning and next. This is not necessary. The Boyle-Moore algorithm finds a matching by comparing the pattern with a substring in the text from right to left. If the character in the text does not match the one in the pattern, and this character is not in the remaining part of the pattern, you can slide the pattern all the way passing this character. This can be best illustrated using this animation. So we have, this is the text, and here's the pattern. And let's see if which one does not match. So here you can see this right here. They don't match. Now we're gonna see C. Where's the C here? Oh, C is right here. You're gonna slide all the way here. You don't have to compare C with A, B, and D, and all the way slide it here. So that's what is this. And now you see this, they don't match. And you can slide all the way to C. All right, this happens to be a match. That's the idea for Boyle-Moore algorithm. So it's more efficient, but the time complexity in the worst case, it can still be out of m times n in the worst case. So if you look at this, I'm going to show you the worst case. It's this. So this is the worst case. You have everything match, but now the last one doesn't match. And you can slide the next and do the same thing to see whether they match. So this ends up in the worst case. It's still out of m times n time. All right, so this is the Boyle-Moore algorithm. And next, we're going to present a very efficient stream match algorithm. It's a KMP algorithm. See you on the next video.